Hey friends, we're out here in the adventure van today, and I want to show you a new tool that we got that's absolutely essential for us in our Sprinter van adventures. Now the back of the van is where we keep all of our tools and our gear and our little garage space. And so one of the tools that we have now in the back here is this little Lexivon hatchet. Now this is perfect when we're chopping firewood at our campsites. Again, just a really nice tool to have around when we are on our adventures. So in today's video, we're going to take a closer look and we're going to give this a quick test to see how she works. So let's take a closer look at this hatchet. As you can see, it comes with this nice plastic covering case just to protect that blade. Again, this is sharp right out of the box. You do want to be cautious. Having this around there is really nice. You're going to break off a little seal. You can push down this little safety tab, and then this will slide right out of that plastic case, and we get a better look at our hatchet. Now to continue to protect the blade, it also includes this little cover here that you can put over the edge. And again, that will just protect the blade as you're moving around and using this. Now again, this is the V14. It's got a 14-inch handle. It's got a 1-pound blade. It's really well balanced. It feels really good. It's lightweight, but again, we're gonna get a lot of chopping power. As you can see, the head is really well designed so that it is encased. You're not gonna have this thing kind of slipping out. It looks really, really well designed. Let's go ahead and give this thing a test. Okay, we've got a small piece of wood here. We've got our hatchet. And again, what we're looking to do is just test this to see if we can get some really nice little pieces of kindling that we can use to get our fire started. Let's go ahead and give it a couple chops here. And as you can see, that's really doing a great job of knocking stuff into kindling sized pieces. Let's see if we can get it even smaller. As you can see, that is working great.